Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so let's get straight into it. We're going to look at silver and gold today. We're going to look at the GDX, the GDXJ, the SIL and the SILJ as well too. And maybe look at the GLD and the SLV as well too. We're looking at all those markets, the GDX, the mining stocks right now, and also silver and gold. So let's get straight into it right now. So what's happening right now on gold? Gold just doesn't want to go down, does it? It's like, even though we're at this, if I bring up my chart through here, right? Let me actually just delete everything off the screen here and start all over again. If I bring up my trend line from here to here, right, as you can see, right, so we have that point through there. And then if I bring this up through to here, right, we can see how that this whole level through here is indeed this whole, you see how I just connected this bottom through here and I just connected it through there, and you can see how it picked it all up through there as well. And now we had all this support level through here, resistance. You see how it actually had a lot of resistance through here, a lot of resistance, and a lot of resistance through here as well too, right? So you can see how we've actually gotten that resistance there. But, you know, the market right now with gold, right? Gold is just one of those things that's just holding strong. We're not getting any strong selling moves. We're not getting anything like that. We're just continuing to do what we've actually done for quite some time. And that is, and it's sort of like a repetitive pattern, right? It's like up, sideways, up, sideways, up, sideways, up. This could just be another sideways move from here. So right now, we're not getting any, like, I would have thought that we would get some form of pullback. It still may be happening, right? Because you can see how we've got a lot of resistance through here on the actual day. If I bring the hourly chart up, you'll be able to see what I mean through here. This hourly chart, you can see that probably somewhere around about that level through there is a major resistance. And right now we're at this major support level all through here. So you can see all that level through there on the hourly chart. So there's a lot of resistance through here. If we do end up breaking below this level here on the hourly chart on gold, and that's the if we do break below, say 1,710, then what we do is we go from the high of this channel down to the low of the channel. And if we do break, this is on a short-term basis, guys. This is gold, like, you know, this could happen in one day. Then we have a projected target down through there, which would be the next level, which would be the 1685 level through there. So that's what I'm seeing through there, guys, on an overall basis. If I bring up my daily chart once again, you can see what's happening through there. So as you can see, this bottom trend line here was indeed just that hourly chart, right? So the hourly chart looks like a pretty big drop from there. It's actually not a drop, not a big drop. If we do get below this level through here, then we're probably likely to run through there. But as you can see on this daily chart, it's actually not that much of a drop. And so for me to actually get that, is actually not even a big drop in the overall scheme of things. So I'm expecting to see some form of a pullback out of gold. But that being said, when you see a big bull market, you don't ever want to try to short. I'm not short gold right now. I've been long gold for a long time, but that's about it from there. Moving on now through to silver, right? Silver is just continuing to hold its rising channel through here, right? So yesterday I talked about how we had this rising channel. See how it's rising through here? Just a really nice rising channel. We're not getting a breakdown through here. We're getting to a bit of an oversold level through here, but we're not getting any breakdown yet. I would have thought we would have got that. It still may happen. But the interesting thing about this flag, see how it looks like a flag? There's two different types of looking flags, right? We have a bullish continuation flag, which looks like this, right? Where the market runs up and then we go sideways through here and then we break up and out and then we're likely to continue up. But then also we have another looking flag that looks something like this, right? Where the market runs up and then it continues running up like that. Notice how the flag in the flagpole is sort of going like this through here, just continue to go sideways. See, this one here is projecting up. This one here, sometimes it does reverse. If it reverses, it's probably only going to be a short-term reverse, especially if it's in an upward trend. So 50% of this up move is probably where we're likely to start to see that move. So that's where we're likely to go. Or either we just simply break up and out. And if we break up and out, so like right here, then we're likely to continue up. So moving that situation now over to gold, silver, it's like, are we actually going to break down below here? And if we do, we're probably likely to race back down towards the 1400 level there. Or is silver just too strong and we're going to get a nice break up and above? we're going to hit that 1650, which that 1650 is a resistance, and then we're probably likely to break through and then continue right back up to 1850 through there. Is that what we're likely to see? We'll have to wait and see what's going to happen there with silver, but that's actually a good possibility. But if we do break up and out, we want to see volume here. So if I go to my SIL, because I can't get volume here, I only can get volume on my SIL, and I do the exact same things for the SIL, which means I have this channel in place. Look at that channel there, right? See how this channel's in place right now? Right, look at that channel through there. So if we do get, this is that channel that's rising through there. Let me go to the hourly chart. Let me see if I can see that on the hourly chart through there. Yeah. So the reason why I'm bringing up the SLV because I want to see the volume here. So if we can get a nice little up move like this here, and nice little break up and out, and then we get a big volume spike, that will probably then be a continuation move to then race to about the 1750 level in SLV and silver as well too. So just keep an eye out for that. But once again, guys, if we do end up getting a breakdown on the SLV, we're probably likely to race back down towards say the 1300 to 1350, and we're probably likely to find support. If you see what the market, what silver actually, the SLV actually produced down here, this is called an island reversal. It's a very powerful end of trend type of move. Sometimes the market will run up through here and then it'll gap up and then it'll just go sideways and then it'll gap down, right? See, it's a gap. This whole gap here, it's called an island because it's separate from the market. Gap up and then a gap down. That's an island. So you gap up to create the island, go sideways, and we gap down, and then we have a reversal through here. Same for the other side, right? If the market's been coming down for a while, and then we gap down, and then we do nothing for a while, we've created a bit of an island, and then we get back up. Guess what? This is actually a very powerful end of trend move, and now we're likely to see that through there. So that's why on the short term anyway, guys, I'm bullish overall. I believe this is going to be some form of final low, and I don't believe we're going to see those lows again for a long time. I could be wrong there, so you know we'll see what happens through there. But that's the reason why I'm actually very bullish. So I'm actually in the SLV myself as well too. As you can see, I'm not biased either way. I'm saying if we do drop, this is what's probably likely to happen. Probably likely to see a 50% pullback, but I'm not worried because I see this thing rallying up. If we do break up and out, then silver is likely to catch up to gold as well too. So that's going to be very, very, very powerful through there. Moving on now through to GDX, and look at GDX. Like, man, the GDX right now is still hovering right at that resistance level. We've got a bit of a sideways movement through here. I'm praying, please, on GDX. This is what I want from the GDX, right? I want this. I want GDX to do this for like another few more days, for a week, and then give me a breakout with volume. Oh, please give me that, because then I'll be all over that like a fat kid loves cake. Because that'll be my trading setup that I trade. By the way, I want to take my hat off to Simon, my man. I want to give a quick little shout out to Simon, one of my private clients. He's in my private client group. And he's been learning now for a good few months the system, and what happened was he's been taking some small trades, but then he loaded up on his full position, not his whole trading account, but his full risk position, which is only still small risk on his account, and his very first full position, which was today, he got out and he made all his money back from the investment to my coaching program in one trade. So I'm so proud of him, Simon, my man. If you're listening, big double thumbs up for you, my brother. You're doing awesome. Don't let your ego get involved. Keep sticking to a good risk management, and you're going to have an amazing year. I promise you. Anyway, move on to the GDXJ. Same sort of thing, right? But the GDXJ, there's a lot of resistance up here. So if the GDXJ did give me, if the GDXJ did give me this, and then a break up, I wouldn't be taking it because there's too much resistance up here. But I definitely do see that we're trying to continue, we're slowly continue to rise through here. So really interesting stuff there. The SILJ, should I say, same sort of thing, just slowly crawling up. We have this low point through here. We have a higher low point through here, and then we're likely to continue up from there as well too. Looking on the SIL, last but not least, right now, we can see the SIL is really struggling around that $30 mark. But I do believe that we're likely to break up and out, and then this break up and out, we're probably likely to see a nice rise up to around the $33 to $34 level. on that once again. So there we go, guys. That's what I see for silver and gold, the GDX, the GDXJ, the mining stocks and all. It's exciting times. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. See, in this brand new Go to the Markets by the Board trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com, you're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training that goes for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, or click on the very first thing in the description, because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go do that right now, and I'll see you on the next page.